Welcome everyone, I'm Nestor, your AI Scout. Let's check out what's going on with generative AI in this week's AI Scoop. Alright, first up, Google is bringing generative AI to their search engine, and it's going to be called SGE while browsing, which basically is going to summarize news articles and provide you bullet points for any articles that you're reading on Google. Very interesting. Now, if you thought that AMD and NVIDIA were competing, let's add IBM to the mix here. In this article, IBM is unveiling a chip that mimics the human brain. Now, what they're trying to do is basically they've created this resistor that also stores memory. So they call it a memristor. And it is supposed to mimic the synapses of the brain that can both hold information and transfer information from point to point. So how this is going to be integrated with artificial intelligence, we'll see. But what they claim is that you will have less power consumption and better processing. So let's see, things are getting pretty wild out here. You have MIT with their liquid neural networks. You have AMD with their CPU chips for AI. You have NVIDIA with their large chips that I covered last week with huge amounts of memory, these GPUs trying to run these large language models on a single system. So, and now IBM has created some new computer chips for AI. So pretty interesting. Speaking about chips, Kneron, which is an interesting name for this company, but it is backed by Qualcomm, which Qualcomm produces the Snapdragon chips and a lot of these chips for the Android devices, the Android phones. They have unveiled a breakthrough neural processing unit chip, which promises to be a game changer for edge AI. So what this chip is supposed to do is have an integrated signal processor, and it's supposed to be more efficient. So here we go, another chip maker trying to get in the game and create chips that are easily integrated and work very well with AI. Now this chip is supposed to have seamless connections with various signals like images, video, audio, and all these different signals, and then the chip is supposed to help bring in all those signals and process them a lot better. So which will be good for an AI, especially in the realm of computer vision or the self-driving cars, that you need all these signals to be processed, and then the computer needs to take an action on these signals. So very interesting, another chip competition coming up here. Also in the news, OpenAI has now allowed custom instructions for everyone. So if you're not familiar with custom instructions, it's the ability to instruct the ChatGPT in a format so that you won't have to constantly repeat yourself. Say, for example, you are using ChatGPT as an assistant for writing blogs or something, or a reviewer, or as a grammar assistant. You can write that in the custom instructions in the box and tell ChatGPT that the role that it plays and maybe some information on what you're going to be talking to it about, and it will remember it throughout the several different conversations. So now no longer will each conversation be its own individual topic, but now you can have multiple conversations and it could still be under the same topic or the same role that you assign ChatGPT. That used to be only for paid subscribers that had the Plus membership, but now they're rolling it out to everyone. OpenAI has recently acquired gaming startup Global Illumination. Now, this is a team that has done some video games and different other things, so it stands to wonder what OpenAI is up to, acquiring a company like this. Maybe they're going to try to do some generative AI game assets that they'll sell to a large, game developers. Who knows? Also, WhatsApp is now testing generative AI on their app. What they're going to be doing is allow you to create custom stickers that you can use on your conversations, and that will be generated through one of these text-to-image generating language models. So right now it's in testing phase. Only a few people have access to it, but sooner or later you'll be able to see if you want to put some stickers on your conversations, you'll probably be able to generate your own custom sticker, write a little prompt, it'll produce a sticker and you can use it. I guess Snapchat is also already running this, so stands to reason that WhatsApp will also add these features to their communication app. Well, if you've missed any other news, go ahead and watch these videos over here and catch up on what's been going on within the last couple of months in generative AI. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.